In this video, I'll show you how to geofence in Google Ads so your ads only appear in specific locations that matter to your business. Location targeting helps keep your advertising budget focused and ensures your ads reach people who are most relevant to your products or services. To begin, sign into your Google Ads account and open the Campaigns section. Find the campaign you want to adjust and click the settings icon to access its campaign settings. Once inside, scroll until you see the Locations section, which controls where your ads can appear. Here, you can enter a specific city, region, or postal code into the search box and select it from the results. If you want more precise targeting, you can also use the radius option to define a distance around a chosen point on the map. Smaller radiuses help keep targeting tight, while larger ones may reach nearby potential customers. After selecting the desired area, review the map preview to confirm the targeting looks correct, then click Save to apply the changes. Precise location targeting can help reduce wasted spend and improve ad relevance. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.